Hello family, today I have a goodie for you. Old-fashioned bread pudding with vanilla sauce. Stay tuned so you can learn how to make this. I'm going to tell you a little story about this bread pudding, old-fashioned bread pudding, growing up in Weldon, North Carolina. Hello, my North Carolina family. Back when I was growing up, bread pudding was the number one dessert for some reason. It was bread pudding. When I was little, pound cake, yellow cake, white cake, chocolate cake, the basic cakes were the desserts that we had most of the time. And also, for you oldies, those who can remember tomato pudding, that was a goodie also. But anyway, bread pudding, and most of the homes in our community, they always made some bread pudding. So today we are going to make the old-fashioned bread pudding that I had as a child. So I hope that you will enjoy this with me. The ingredients for this bread pudding is 4 cups of bread cut up and cubed. Old bread, day old bread, or bread that you're getting ready to get rid of, that you're gonna throw in the trash, would be perfect. A 1/2 cup of raisins. If you want raisins, you don't have to put raisin in it. It could be dried cranberry or any fruit that you like. That's what you would put in it. 2 cups of milk, a 1/4 cup of butter, 2 eggs slightly beaten, a 1/2 cup of sugar, a 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla. What we have to do first is put all 4 cups of breadcrumb in this bowl. I have done a cucumber salad with the cucumber, tomatoes, and onions in the vinegar. And the bread pudding will be our dessert. So it's to a boil. We're gonna get ready to go over here and put this on top of the pudding. I switched the dish that I had my bread pudding in. I had it in a Pyrex dish before, and because I'm just using the 4 cups today. If I had 8 cups, it would have been better. So I switched to the smaller dish. Now I've also added in the tablespoon of vanilla, and I'm getting ready to spoon this over or pour it over the bread pudding. And as this cools, it'll get thicker. And as you eat the pudding, you can get some of the sauce and pour on top to have more sauce. The pan is still hot for the pudding, so I have to be careful with it. But here is the old-fashioned bread pudding. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Here it is. And this is our dessert for today. So everyone have a blessed and prosperous day. I am so glad you stopped by to learn how to make old-fashioned bread pudding with vanilla sauce. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.
Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous.